Guess what?
Another box. I wonder what's inside.
Good guess. Clearly it's a box. But yes, what is inside? Well, clearly there's
Cars?
some Johnny Lightning cars in here. Oh. The Halls and Haulers series. Ooh. We've got the International Scout 2 with boat and trailer. This time it comes with a hitch. I mean, obviously, because, you know, it's like Halls and Haulers. So if it didn't have a hitch, probably would defeat the purpose. Pretty solid black rims there too, with some Goodyear tires. Pretty sleek looking boat too. Very nice. Oh, up next we've got the Chevy Caprice 73 with boat and trailer. There you go, in medium red. Some Star Stripe livery on the boat. Very, very cool. And then the third one, I think, the last one here in the series is the Chevy Stepside 65 with boat and trailer in custom turquoise gloss. That's pretty solid truck right there. Very nice. Oh, with a pretty slick looking boat too on the trailer. That's nice. And there you've got the three in that version. That's version
B?
Oh, look, we opened version B first.
Listen here. This is unboxing.
In reverse?
Yes.
Oh, one of those Australian features that go the opposite way.
Yep.
Okay,
That's
gotcha.
it.
All right, well, there's...
Channeling my inner Aussie.
Yeah, there's you know, version B of this series. So I think the next one will be version A.
Oh, is that how that works?
Well, no, A comes before B, but in this case, it looks like it's coming after B.
This is an unboxing, not a lesson in the alphabet.
Well, let's hope there's no kids under the age of 20, because we're going to confuse them in their alphabet learning.
They'll be fine.
Yep. All right. Well, that's that. And I think we should probably stop the video.
You're the one with the camera, so
yep.
See you later until next time.
Bye.